Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Royal Rajputana Company provides all safety to the buyers. Buying is not the easy part. First we see the property, measure, dimensions as according to the registration documents. And whatever the registration documents, the property and the land measuring is correct, then only we ask our customers to go further. We plan all according to the legally. First we see the property, then we go around, find the total documents, link documents, there any certified copies are there, old documents. So we provide near about 40 years documents so that our customer has total facility of getting the loans without any problems. We provide first, see the registration office of the documents, find out the total earlier by the document numbers, we take out all the documents whatever earlier this property was holding it. And the customers who are there and presently who are the legal heirs of the property. If any person of the landowner have expired anything, so we find out all the set of documents like death certificate, legal hire certificate, all the family documents. If they are major children, they all have to be one part of in getting involved in the signatures of the sale. We provide all the things to our customer by getting that he doesn't have any problem till the registration and for the future also. He will be the comfortable and having without any problem, the property will be with him. And we see that we hand over the keys, vacating all the house and giving the buyer. Property will be seen and everything will be provided by all the legally like NOCs from the societies, electricity bills, water bills, whatever the pendings are that we as on that day we clear with LRS. If it has a BRS, building regularization system, if it is in cantonment, we find out all the documents as according to the cantonment rules and regulations, whether the cantonment has approved the plan or GHMC has approved plan. So we work according to that, and any diversion in construction, even we provide a customer the way how we have to solve the problem and see that the customer is comfortable. So we work legally, we support each and everything. First we see the registration and then with the document writers as according to the buyer and as according to the seller, whatever thing has to be that we make it and see that customer is happy. All the things. So you don't have any problem legally, like registration as you have seen, registration documents. Earlier any problems are there with the property, we find out what. So we go to all the sub-register office, district registrar, if any from any relatives or anyone are from abroad, their permission, then after then we make that NOC from them and GPA, and then we get validation by the district registrar and see that the property is registered by SAFE with all the legal errors involved in signing the property. So this is my thing. I'm very thankful that Royal Rajputana will stand with you. You have to trust and you have to give an opportunity to see that we work with under your shadow. Okay, thank you.